Hello and welcome to the video. A little while back I bought the Volvo S40 that you see behind me. It did need a bit of work, so I spent a bit of time and money getting it back roadworthy. Well, now I have a buyer for that car and it's going at the end of the week, so I was looking for something else to get my teeth into. Looking like a project car was going to be the best option. I was actually inspired by a few videos by a channel called Involvo'd. He's a guy from England that is based in Germany. His videos show him buying very old classic Volvos and then spending time on them to restore them to their former glory. So with that in mind, I was looking for a 740, but I did want it to be at least starting and running. So I found one, and today is the first time I'm seeing it in the flesh. It is a barn find. It has been sat for a very long time. It's most likely going to have a lot wrong with it, but I'm looking forward to giving it its first wash. Let's have a look now.
And here it is. So this is a 1989 Volvo 740 GL estate, and it is filthy. I found a tax disc on this car from 2014, so it's been sat collecting grime for 8 years nearly. I mean, just look at the headlights, how dull the light is. Well, they should clean up pretty well because it's glass. Inside the car isn't too bad. The headlining is drooping and the door bins have all broken off where they're just so brittle. And then in the back there's a box of some spare parts. And the boot, as you'd imagine, is pretty big on here, and it's got a spare door for a saloon in there. So as you can see, she definitely needs a bit of love, and I'm looking forward to getting stuck in and getting her looking nice and shiny again. Apologies for the voiceover, the car's got a blown exhaust, so I found with that on my car's actually getting drowned out. But she does run, albeit very noisily. I found there's no coolant at all, so I've had to fill that up. I suspect there's probably a leak with the water pump somewhere. But I'll do a separate video once I've had a proper check to make a list of everything I need to do on the car. I did, however, top up the oil and the coolant just so the engine wouldn't blow up on me, and replace the wiper blades because they basically had no rubber on them and they were dragging against the glass. So with that, let's get on to the cleaning. We'll do the inside first since I want that to be clean before I start driving it around. I'm guessing that this car probably wasn't clean when it was actually parked up, so we're cleaning off not just 8 years worth of dirt but probably a couple of years before that as well. There's actually quite a strong smell of mould as well, so I'm wearing a mask for a lot of this. So let's crack on with the cleaning inside, and then we can get to work on the outside so it doesn't look like it's just been dragged out of a swamp. Now for the bit you've all been waiting for, cleaning the filthy paintwork on this car. We hit it with a jet wash initially, but that didn't do much to remove the built up grime, so we used TFR on the paintwork to loosen it up before hitting it again. I have to say the results are pretty satisfying to watch. Of course, this is just a basic wash to get it looking clean again. In the future, I'm going to do a full clay bar and also a machine polish before finishing up with a wax to keep the car looking shiny for longer. And even with a simple wash like this, it's amazing the difference it's made to the look of the car. And now, here's some before and afters.
So now that you've met the old girl, I hope you'll stick around and watch me struggle trying to restore her. I may have bitten a bit more off than I can chew on this one, but we'll see how it goes. So now that she's looking clean, we're going to get her through her MOT, and then we'll start on some of the other cosmetic items. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.